You want to mount a traffic or parking sign to a U-channel signpost? First, you need to install your post. Wait a second. Before you start, there's one thing you'd better be sure of. Which side of the post is the front, and which is the back? Otherwise, there's a decent chance that you could be installing your post backwards. The U-channel signpost gets its name from its unique U shape. The top of the U, here, is where you will be placing your sign. These two contact points, here and here, provide the proper support needed to prevent your sign from bending or warping. If the top of the U is where your sign is mounted, you should install your post so that the U faces outward. In this example, we want to designate spaces 1 and 2 for accessible parking only by installing U-channel signposts and symbol of access parking signs. The fronts of the posts must face the parking space, like so. It's the same with traffic signs. The sign needs to be visible to oncoming traffic, so the post needs to face in that direction. Now that you know which side of the U-channel post is the front and what direction it should be facing, you can proceed with the installation. When you're ready to put up your sign, put a bolt through each of the mounting holes in the sign, then through the post. Using washers in your installation, one in front of the sign and one behind the post, will make it less likely that your nuts and bolts will loosen over time. The last step is to tighten the nuts and bolts with a wrench, and you're done. In areas where sign theft is a concern, use vandal-proof mounting hardware, making your signs impossible to remove without special tools. You can also draw added attention to your signs and posts with the use of reflective post panels or post covers. These are especially useful in parking lots that are poorly lit or those with heavy nighttime traffic. For our full selection of traffic control products, visit us online today at www.seton.com.